For centuries, Eastern cultures have embraced natural approaches to health and well-being. These ancient practices offer a treasure trove of wisdom that can benefit us even today. By integrating these time-tested secrets into our modern lives, we can unlock a healthier and more balanced way of living. Modern medicine often focuses on treating symptoms. Ancient Eastern practices focus on preventing illness. They emphasize the connection between mind, body, and spirit. This holistic approach is key to achieving overall well-being. The wisdom of the East reminds us that true health goes beyond the absence of disease. It is about cultivating vitality, balance, and harmony within ourselves and with nature. By embracing these principles, we can enhance our well-being and live healthier, more fulfilling lives. Step into a traditional Eastern market and you'll be greeted by a vibrant tapestry of sights, sounds, and aromas. Amidst the bustling crowds and colorful displays lies a treasure trove of natural remedies. Herbs, roots, and spices are meticulously arranged, each holding the potential to heal and restore. Ancient scrolls and texts reveal centuries-old knowledge of herbal medicine. These ancient remedies, passed down through generations, offer a glimpse into the power of nature's healing touch. From exotic fungi to rare mountain herbs, the East holds a wealth of natural remedies waiting to be rediscovered. These markets are not just places of commerce, they are living testaments to the enduring legacy of ancient wisdom. They remind us that nature provides everything we need to maintain our health and well-being. Let's explore some of these potent natural remedies in more detail. Among the many potent herbs found in the East, ginseng, ginger, and turmeric stand out as true powerhouses of health. Revered for centuries in traditional Chinese medicine and Ayurveda, these three herbs offer a wide range of health benefits. Ginseng, known for its energizing properties, has been used for centuries to combat fatigue and boost vitality. It is also believed to enhance cognitive function and support immune health. Ginger, with its warming and anti-inflammatory properties, is a popular remedy for digestive issues, nausea, and muscle pain. Turmeric, the golden spice of life, contains a powerful compound called curcumin. Curcumin is a potent antioxidant with anti-inflammatory properties linked to various health benefits, including reducing pain, improving heart health, and potentially even fighting cancer cells. Incorporating these powerful herbs into your diet is a simple yet effective way to enhance your well-being. In the East, cooking is not just a chore but a sacred act, a ritual that has been passed down through generations. It is a time-honored tradition that brings families and communities together. It is a time to connect with the ingredients, savor the aromas, and infuse each dish with intention and love. The act of cooking becomes a meditative practice where each step is performed with mindfulness and care. This mindful approach to cooking transforms food from mere sustenance into a source of nourishment for both body and soul. It is about more than just feeding ourselves. It is about nurturing our well-being and fostering a deeper connection with the food we eat. Mindful cooking encourages us to slow down, engage all our senses, and appreciate the nourishment we provide for ourselves and loved ones. It is a way to bring mindfulness into our daily lives, creating moments of peace and reflection. It involves selecting fresh, wholesome ingredients and preparing them with care and attention. The process of choosing and handling each ingredient becomes a deliberate act of love and respect for the food we consume. This mindful approach not only enhances the flavor of our food, but also allows us to fully appreciate the nourishment we receive. It transforms the act of eating into a celebration of life and health. When we cook mindfully, we create a space for peace and gratitude in our daily lives. This practice helps us to cultivate a sense of calm and presence, making each meal a moment of joy and connection. This practice allows us to connect with the food we consume on a deeper level, fostering a sense of appreciation for the nourishment it provides. It reminds us to be grateful for the abundance of nature and the effort that goes into every meal. It's about savoring each bite and being fully present during the meal, enhancing digestion and promoting a healthier relationship with food. By being mindful, we can transform our eating habits and improve our overall well-being. The ancient wisdom of the East recognizes the profound connection between humans and nature. Spending time in nature is not just enjoyable, it is essential for our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. The Japanese practice of forest bathing, or Shinrin-yoku, highlights the rejuvenating power of nature. Immersing ourselves in the sights, sounds, and scents of the forest has been scientifically proven to reduce stress, lower blood pressure, and boost mood. Whether it's a walk in the park, a hike in the mountains, or simply sitting under a tree, spending time in nature allows us to reconnect with ourselves and find a sense of peace. Nature has an innate ability to calm our minds, soothe our souls, and revitalize our spirits. By incorporating nature into our daily routines, we can tap into its healing embrace and experience the transformative power of the natural world. Practical tips integrating ancient wisdom into daily life. Incorporating ancient wellness secrets into your life doesn't require drastic changes. Small, consistent steps can make a big difference. Start by adding ginseng, ginger, and turmeric to your meals. You can enjoy them in teas, soups, stir-fries, or even desserts. Make an effort to cook mindfully. Choose fresh, whole foods and pay attention to the cooking process. Savor each bite and be present while you eat. Schedule time for nature. Even a short walk in the park can do wonders for your well-being. Remember that consistency is key. Embrace these ancient practices as part of your lifestyle, and you'll gradually experience their transformative effects on your health and well-being. The importance of balance and harmony. At the heart of ancient Eastern wellness practices lies the profound concept of balance. This principle is not just a fleeting idea, but a foundational element that has been revered for centuries. This balance extends to all aspects of life, from our diet and exercise to our work and relationships. It is about finding a harmonious rhythm that allows us to thrive in every area of our existence. Achieving this equilibrium is essential for maintaining good health and well-being. When we are balanced, we are more resilient, more at peace, and better able to handle life's challenges. This balance is often represented by the concept of yin and yang, the interconnectedness of seemingly opposite forces. These forces complement each other and create a dynamic harmony. These forces are not meant to be in opposition, but rather in a state of dynamic harmony. They work together to create a balanced and harmonious life. When we achieve this balance, we create a state of inner peace and stability. This inner peace radiates outward, positively affecting our interactions and our environment. In our daily lives, we can strive for balance by eating a balanced diet of nourishing foods, rich in vitamins and minerals, getting enough sleep and rest, which is crucial for our bodies to repair and rejuvenate, managing stress through techniques like deep breathing, meditation, and mindfulness practices, nurturing our relationships and social connections, which provide us with support and a sense of belonging, and engaging in activities that bring us joy and fulfillment. By doing so, we cultivate a life that is not only balanced, but also deeply satisfying and meaningful. Listen to your body, the wisdom within. Ancient Eastern traditions teach us to listen to our bodies. These practices emphasize the importance of tuning into the subtle signals that our bodies send us every day. Our bodies possess an innate wisdom, a subtle language that speaks to us through sensations, feelings, and intuition. This wisdom is often overlooked in our fast-paced lives. By learning to listen to these cues, we can better understand our needs and make choices that support our well-being. This means recognizing when we need rest, nourishment, or simply a moment of peace. When we ignore our body's signals, be it fatigue, hunger, or stress, we create imbalances that can manifest as physical or emotional distress. These imbalances can lead to chronic issues if left unaddressed. On the other hand, when we pay attention to these cues, we can make adjustments to restore balance and maintain our health. Simple actions like taking a deep breath or stretching can make a significant difference. This practice of listening to our bodies can be cultivated through mindfulness techniques. such as focused breathing or gentle movement practices. These activities help us become more attuned to our inner states. It involves paying attention to our breath, bodily sensations and thoughts without judgment. This non-judgmental awareness allows us to respond to our needs with compassion. By developing this inner awareness, we can tap into the wisdom of our bodies and make choices that support our overall well-being. This journey towards self-awareness and balance is a lifelong practice. Conclusion: embracing a healthier future. As we wrap up this journey, one truth stands clear. The ancient wellness secrets of the East offer more than just remedies. They offer a way of life. By weaving these time-tested practices into our modern routines, we reconnect with nature, restore balance, and nourish our bodies and minds from the inside out. Wellness isn't a finish line. It's a lifelong path of learning, growing, and evolving. And the more we embrace these ancient principles, the more empowered we become to live with clarity, energy, and purpose. If this journey inspired you, don't stop here. Like this video, follow for more, and join our growing community of wellness seekers. Let's keep learning, growing, and thriving together.